TikTok has introduced a new feature that lets you choose between personal and professional messaging with just a single selection. Let's take a look at how it works. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Swipe up to scroll down. And find the section called Content and Display. Then tap Inbox and Messaging. You will then see the new update called Select a Messaging Suite. If it doesn't appear, make sure your TikTok app is updated. By default, Personal, Chat with Friends, is selected. Simply choose Professional, Engage Followers. And then tap Switch Now. Now go back and open Messages. You will notice that your inbox now includes new features, such as multiple tabs for better organization. If you tap the Requests tab, you will see separate message requests from businesses, accounts with 10K plus followers, and regular followers. You'll also see an Unread tab, which shows all your unopened messages in one place. In addition, there's a Starred tab, which lets you quickly access messages you've marked as important. If you tap the filter icon, you can sort and manage your messages more easily. If you tap the three dots in the top right corner, you can access different messaging tools to manage your inbox and customize your message settings. The professional messaging feature helps you organize and manage messages more efficiently by separating business and high-reach accounts from personal chats for better inbox control. So that's how you can switch between personal and professional messaging on TikTok.